Hello, this is an explanation video for Monday, April 19th. So you will come down to Unit 3, Thoughtful Consumer. And then this week, the module is Module 8. It's all about making big purchases. Okay, here we are, day 1, Monday. Let's start with the sync. This is what we'll do together in the Zoom session. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to review 4 types of evidence. This is related to our One World essay, okay? And it's just something we'll discuss in a big group. We'll discuss facts, data and statistics, quotes, and a personal anecdote. Okay, we'll review what those different things are. Then we'll split into groups and we'll look at different pieces of text. Each one has one type of evidence. So for example, we look here, group 1. Here's an example. Okay, so this is either a fact, a statistic, a quote, or a personal anecdote. So you have to decide which one this is. So you'll be in a small group, you'll read it, and you'll decide what type of evidence it is. Then you'll look at the second sentence and decide fact, statistic, quote, or personal anecdote. Okay, so after we finish, we'll come back together in the big group and share our answers. Okay, now we are on the textbook. We will preview our reading activity for the async. So we're going to do page 48, part 1, A, B, and C. So we'll discuss what is the next big purchase you are planning to make. Why is it important? And then we will look at the vocabulary in B and C. We'll preview those vocabulary words. Okay, and here is the text. So you can look through here to see the bold words like predict, estimate or estimate, credit, and detect. Okay, and so that's it for the sync session. So let's move to the async. So here's our textbook activity. It's page 48. Okay, part B, and then 49, section 3. So here is the text you will read. It's the same text that you saw in the sync session. It's page 48, part 2A. If you want to listen to it, here is the audio. Okay, so you can listen and read if you want. And then you're going to do 2B, which is identify the main idea. And remember, you're going to pick A, B, or C to represent the main idea, and make sure to write the line where you found that main idea in the text, right? So remember, we have these lines 1, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. These numbers can help you find what line you're on in the text. And you're going to write it here next to lines. Then you'll do 3, part A and B. Okay, so that is it for this activity. Let's look at the next async. It is about types of evidence. So you'll click here. And when you open it, it will look like this. These are the instructions. Basically, we're giving you different sentences. Each one is a type of evidence from an article called Americans Are Clueless About Using Water. That's where all of these sentences come from. So for each one, you have to decide whether it is a fact, statistic, quote, or personal anecdote. And this is one important note. They mention Atari. Atari is the name of a researcher. So when you see that name, that should help you understand what you're reading exactly. Okay, so for each sentence, identify what type of evidence it is: fact, statistic, quote, or personal anecdote. And that is it for today, Monday, April 19th. Thank you for listening and best of luck.